So one more information. I want to talk about the Animal Shelter project. So I want to show you why this is not currently working. This here is wood that I placed on top of my fence. I've got some more further down. And I did this because my dogs are trying to run away, especially my husky Java. It's very natural for huskies to try to run away. And this is still not enough. It's a lot of time to do this and a lot of wood. And even when I have this on top of the asbestos fence, there's more I have to do. A lot more. I have on the borders of my property, how do I show you without showing you where I live? This kind of fence. Super wobbly, and the dogs try to dig through. You can already see it here. And of course I could add concrete all along this, but then the fence is still not tall enough to keep the dogs in. They will just jump over. So and this is all around the property almost. And that's a lot of wood I need to first of all raise all the asbestos fence. I do have enough wood to do that, but the next problem is I do not have enough wood to build completely new fences, and that wood that I have is like really old bad wood. It's like firewood that I use. So I need wood, and a lot of it, and wood is not exactly cheap. Of course I could also do it with other materials, but these asbestos plates are usually not tall enough, and these alternatives, which are very similar to the asbestos plates in the supermarket, are not supermarket, construction market, are really expensive. So at the end of the day, wood is probably the best, and we need money to do that. And as long as we don't have like a good amount of money for the other projects, I can't do this. I just have to prioritize, or we have to prioritize the work that actually saves lives and helps bring this war effort forward. And helping dogs, stray dogs, unfortunately, is not on the same level. It's not as important. As much as I love dogs, you all know I love dogs, more than people. But I can't justify prioritizing with the money projects to help dogs and people, and of course regaining Ukrainian soil. So it has to wait. Over the next month we will try to get some partners to manage that, and then we will go on. But till then it's right now just not possible, because I need a very long piece of multiple fences and raise other fences. I didn't even have time to work on this part of the property. So yeah, there's a lot more work that has to be done too. But slowly but surely we will get there. So please, you all, don't worry. The dog problem is very persisting here in Ukraine, and it doesn't really matter that much if we start earlier or later. Alright, peace out everyone.